What's going on, y'all? What's going on? We back with another one. So I know y'all read the title and stuff like that already, so let's just get straight into it. We got an outboxing here, baby. Let's see who it's from. Man, let's try this over, huh? Alright, so let's start with the trimmers. Let's start out boxing the trimmers right off the back. Box is cool. It says it has an all metal aluminum housing, high torque BLDC motor, high speed, strong power, and then a lithium ion battery. Run time 3 hours charging. Well, 3 hours charging and 2 hours running. So let's check this out. Come out like an iPhone case, so you gotta slide it out. Alright. You got this pack right here saying this is digital gap. I guess this is tell you the person who digital gapped your stuff and on what date. So appreciate whoever this is. I can't even really tell off the handwriting, but thank you, brother or sister. This right here is a manual. Normally you see people just kind of toss these to the side, but don't do that. Don't do that. Read the damn manual. Read the manual. You never know. You might be having some problems or something like that going on with the clipper and you don't even know. But just something safe to keep. Just to the side. Just put it to the side. So we got boxes. So there's a box in a box. So let's see what's in this. Okay. Got your oil and your little brush. You also got like a screwdriver. I'm guessing it's kind of like the babless in a sense where they get you, you can kind of tune them up right without taking the blade off. So I'm guessing that's what that's for. Let's see what this second box is about. And then this is just the charging piece. And then the block. So cool. That's really it. It looks like in this trimmer box. And then we'll go into the actual trimmer. Side real quick. Alright. So off rip, it feels amazing. I ain't gonna lie to you. It feels real good. I don't know. It feels way better than what it looks. I will say that because even getting these clippers, I was kind of like skeptical and just like, man, is these things really it? Like, you know, and still, even off the feeling, we ain't gonna say that they are, just because they gotta perform still too. So. But just off the feeling of them, they feel real nice, real like, just like some good tools. That's really it. I'm gonna read the instructions though, cause some clippers you understand that you have to have it on the full charge. So let's just read this real quick. Right off the back, it tells us to get started. Before using your trimmer for the first time, charge consecutively for 3 hours. So that's why we always want to keep this manual, because the manual literally says that. So we're gonna charge them up and then I'll give y'all a sound test. So let's get into the clippers. Kind of the same thing on with the charging and stuff like that. We got the lithium ion battery, 3 hours when charging, 2 hours with runtime, USB charging, high torque BLDC motor in it, high speed, strong power, all metal aluminum housing. They come with guards all the way from half all the way up to 6. And I actually got 2 of the same ones, so I'm not really sure why, but appreciate y'all. Yeah, let's get into it. Same way with trimmers. You got a manual. You ain't gonna throw away. And I guess these was digital gapped as well. So again, shout out to this guy, whoever did it, or this lady, whoever. Got the same setup as the trimmers. Got a small box and a big box. Let's look what's in the small box first. I'm guessing your oil. Actually got the charging block in this one. And your oil. We also got another screw. And some more guards. Some more guards. I guess these is like I guess different ones. I don't know. These are more like basic. The other ones got kind of like a metal clip on them. So I think I'm gonna use the one with the metal clip. And then also in the box is the actual charging USB port. And we get to the clipper.
That's only one game. I don't think they're the same. They're not potent at first, and they had a chance to win the championship.
I'm not gonna lie, this is actually what I was falling in love with. This lever, how just the design of it is pretty dope. I like that. And it does have the clicks as well. Look like it's got about. They don't latch in as much as hard, but it sound like they got about like 5 clicks on each. That's dope. That's dope.
Projecting that way though. Like to me, he's not that guy. He's good, definitely.
It's definitely designed a little way different than a lot of other clippers. We got this tapered in part right here. Kind of like just the trimmers. It kind of widens back up, so that's kind of neat. And that's it. That's pretty much it right there, y'all. Whenever it's charging, I noticed with the trimmers, because I already got them up on the chargers, they blink blue. So you had this little dot right here, and it literally blinks blue as it's charging, and then I'm expecting that it'll charge, when it's fully charged, it'll be a solid blue. Let's actually look the manual to see if these have the same instructions. Before using this clipper the first time, charge consecutively for 3 hours. That's to get the maximum battery capacity. So, yep. And I come back with a sound test and then a review with the clippers. See ya. Alright, y'all, we back with the clippers charged now. So let's just give y'all a quick sound test. There we go. For the clippers. Super quiet. Like unbelievable quiet, for real, for real. That's pretty good, pretty damn good. I say the trimmers may be a little louder. I don't know, but comparison to Masters, sound compare.
Alright, boy.
Oh, bro. So yeah, I'm gonna compare it to some other.
Yeah, you can.
My Oxta Octanes. So quiet, real quiet. Still haven't necessarily cut with the clippers or the trimmers yet, but I will say the click is nice. I like the click. Got about like 5 notches on there. Let's see. I would say the click's not like as hard. Like it's not like a hard click. It's just like a little subtle click, and you can kind of go by fast it, and you might skip with 1 or 2. But other than that, it's nice though. I like it. Like I said, I love the feeling of the clipper. Got this nice little thumbprint right here, so you can lay your thumb right there, then get on and get to work. Feels real good. And I said, now with the trimmers, let's go with the trimmers again. The trimmers are real nice. I like the blade on them. They said they are digital gapped. They are pretty close, I would say. I just did a little touch up on my face. I didn't really need no liner, but they feel good. Feel good in hand, feel good on the skin. So now it's time to put them to the test. So let's see how they cut.